morning. Pam here with Inspect It Like a Girl. We want to talk today about something that you probably don't think a whole lot about. Do you ever think about the air that you breathe? So something that a lot of homeowners don't think about is their thermostat. Several years ago, I was having my unit serviced. I'm kind of a nerd. I'll hang out with those guys and gals and ask a lot of questions because I can learn a lot of things. And this particular person shared with me how you can lower your energy bill and feel more comfortable in your house. I don't know if you noticed, but my fan on my unit just came on, but my unit's not on. Isn't that cool? If I can set my thermostat to circulate, it will circulate the air in my house. And in the summer months, what will happen is that it will take the cool air that is in my home, pull it through the coil, cool it off again, get rid of the heat, and put it back in the house. And I'm not using any energy because it's in circulation mode. So you can actually set your thermostat to circulate every 15 minutes. Cool, huh? You can pick up a thermostat that will do this at your local hardware stores. They usually run about $100, and I'm going to show you the circulating mode on my thermostat. Check this out. This is a Train thermostat. I had it put in with my Train units several years ago. Down in my place in the country, I have a different model down there, so it really doesn't matter. And they're pretty easy to install. But check this out. Here is the system. And see how it gives me heat, off, and cool? Then check this out. See where it says fan, circulate? You can actually do your fan to on, where it's on all the time, auto, or circulate. Circulate, folks, circulate. We want it to circulate. We all want to be more comfortable in our homes, right? If you want to be more comfortable in your home, check out your thermostat. See if you can set that to recirculate or circulating every 15 minutes. I promise you, not only will it help you be more comfortable in your home, but because that unit is running, the fan is running more, you're filtering your air more. Give it a shot. Thanks so much for watching. Check out our other videos, like us, all that stuff. Thanks so much for watching.